Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Sony's line of amplifiers, a perfect choice for those seeking a powerful and refined audio experience. Sony amplifiers are known for their incredible sound clarity and precision, which elevate your favorite music, movies, and shows to a whole new level. They're designed to enhance every nuance in the sound, from the deepest bass to the crispest highs, so you'll feel as though you're right in the middle of the action. What sets Sony amplifiers apart is their innovative technology. With features like digital sound processing and high-resolution audio support, Sony ensures that every detail of the sound is faithfully reproduced. Whether you're using traditional wired inputs or streaming wirelessly, Sony's amplifiers deliver a seamless and immersive listening experience. And of course, Sony combines this performance with a sleek, modern design that fits perfectly in any audio setup. With user-friendly controls and reliable construction, these amplifiers are built for both style and durability, making them a long-term investment in quality sound. So, if you're ready to transform your audio experience, Sony amplifiers offer unmatched power, clarity, and precision. Thank you for listening.